So everyone is comfortable with English, or can I go with Telugu as well? Could you please ping me in a chat if anyone looking for Telugu language?
Up to you, but
Mostly I'll go with English only. If you are unable to understand, let me know. Then I'll discuss in Telugu as well. Okay. Good. So team, we all are here to learn the Tricentis Tosca, and even I'll explain more information Tricentis Tosca side only. Okay. So how many of you aware of Tosca automation? Just what is what?
completely no idea for me.
So this is a completely zero coding automation tool. No need to learn any coding language. No need to learn any coding language. So why any coding language is nothing but as of now, you people are in a comfortable zone while working in manual test engineer, API or mobile or non-IT. Something you are in comfortable zone, you are working and there is no much pressure on that. So when you are planning to upgrade your skill set related to automation point of view, so must you have to learn some coding based on the test automation tool which you are choosing. Okay. In a market, a number of test automation tools is available like Selenium, UFT, Raft, Cucumber. So we do have Tosca. Like this, n number of test automation tools is available. Okay. So why primarily we are looking for Tosca automation only? For Tosca automation, there is no coding. No need to learn any coding. That means no need to learn any Python, Java, .NET, C Sharp or C++. What are the languages is available? No need to learn any programming language. That is the first indication. It's a very, very best opportunity for us. Okay. And next point of Tricentis Tosca, it's a very easy to understand as well. Okay. So even you came from IT background or non-IT background, as of now you worked on manual test engineer or non-IT or Selenium, whatever it is. So the interface of Tosca automation is also very easy to understand and seems like it is a user friendly. Okay. How we are doing a development in Tosca, it's simple. It is a drag and drop option. We're just doing a drag and drop option to do the development of our test cases. Okay. And even the development of a test case time, for example, if I take one example, I'm just automating that scenario in Tosca. So it is taking hardly 15 to 30 minutes for me. When I'm automating same scenario in Selenium, hardly it's taking for me 2 hours or 3 hours of time. Getting my point? It's a kind of time consuming process also included here. And execution is also very speed. These all are the different advantages in Tricentis Tosca. So I'm saying I'm always calling one thing that is a Tricentis Tosca. Anyone having any idea what is Tricentis? Tricentis is one of the software company, product-based software company. Okay, Tricentis is one of the product-based software companies. So this Tricentis Tosca is giving it is release some products to the market, so which is useful for testing point of view. So we have n number of tools available in Tricentis Tosca. We can do the functional testing, load testing, performance testing, ETL testing, big data. What are the technologies available in the market? We can automate all type of technologies using Tricentis Tosca. That is a very big advantage here. What is happening now? Every time the Tricentis is always upgrading their self. Okay, based on the market standards. So nowadays, everyone aware of the thing that is the artificial intelligence. So if we see in the market, what are the tools is available in the market? No one has implemented this artificial intelligence features to the Tricentis Tosca. So the one and only person, the company, that is a Tricentis only. It's implemented artificial features to the Tricentis Tosca. Okay. And another point of this Tricentis Tosca, I'm just giving a bullet points and advantages of this Tricentis only. Okay. So because we should aware of these things, why we are choosing only this tool? We do have a number of tools in the market, right? What are the key features? What is the career scope in this Tricentis Tosca? Must be aware of these things. Okay. So using this Tosca automation, what type of projects can we automate? The project categories. If you see in a software company perspective, we do have web-based project. We do have some kind of desktop-based projects. So some people are telling like I worked on mobile-based project. Some people are telling I'm worked on API. So some of the people are telling like I worked on SAP, some Salesforce, some service now, and some people are telling like a mainframes. I worked on mainframes automation. So these all are the manual things we are doing. But what are the applications you are doing here? We do the automation of all these applications into a single tool. Only the single tool. This particular tool is providing this much of flexibility. This particular tool is providing this much of flexibility. So we can automate desktop-based applications, web, mobile, API, Salesforce, SAP, all modules, mainframes, DB, ServiceNow. So like this, I can say around 256, around 300 applications as well. Like Oracle-based applications, Microsoft Dynamics application, manufacturing domain, healthcare domain. So if you take banking domain and any security projects, all the people are using Tricentis Tosca nowadays. This is the very big advantage for me to get an opportunity immediate basis. Clear up to here? So
Yes.
Yes, Anisha.
Anusha,
yeah,
just
go
one
ahead.
thing.
Anisha? Hi, Anisha. This is Prakash. Is it a mainframe application also it will support?
Yes, we do. So this is Prakash, right? You're
Yeah, this is
I'll
Prakash.
do the
Sorry.
review.
Yeah.
So you just joined with the name as one place. Yeah. Yes, Prakash, we do the mainframes automation as well using Tosca.
Oh, okay. Yeah, thank you.
Anusha, one more query. Like you said, like we will like it. Tosca can cover like mobile APIs, DBs, mainframes. So in our trainings, like which will we will mainly cover? Like you also said,
So
like
majorly I'll concentrate on 5 categories of applications. Okay. One is web-based application. Another one is desktop-based applications. So next one is API, database, and SAP.
okay.
So if
And
you're planning to keep an experience on Tosca around
mm,
3 to 4 years, yes, we can
mm,
able to do it because you
okay.
are having experience on these many application categories.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what about like you said, like using like Tosca, we can cover like load testing and performance and functional. So it will
Yes,
be everything will be covered. Type of testings will be also covered.
exactly. So the type of testing is different, Pooja. Okay. So what are the Tosca we are learning? Using this particular Tosca, we can do the functional testing, regression
Hmm.
testing, sanity testing, only these kind of testing.
Okay. 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 Okay.
When you
Major.
come across the performance testing, like load
Hmm.
testing, these things we do have another tool.
Okay. Okay.
So that is also providing Tricentis only. That another tool
Hmm.
is Neoload. Let me show you.
Okay. Okay.
Here you are able to see Neoload, Tricentis Neoload. This is only for performance testing.
Okay. Okay. Cool.
Okay,
Okay.
Tricentis is giving and different application
Hmm.
categories. We do all these things.
Okay.
But
Okay.
what are the tool we are learning? Using this particular tool, we do a functional testing,
Functional.
end-to-end testing, and sanity testing,
Hmm.
regression testing, smoke testing, all these testing
Hmm.
categories we do.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Thank you.
Okay. Yes.
Anusha, here the applications are different, right?
Yes.
So if you learn five of these web, desktop, API, and DB and SAP, so we can automate other applications with a similar
Yes.
functionality, like
Yes.
the Salesforce and services are different applications, right?
Yeah. Yes, we
Can
do.
we also
The first
Okay.
point is here. Okay, I'm just giving an example. Okay, now you people are having experience on Python. Let us assume you are having experience on Python. As of now, you worked on some of the web-based banking application. Let us assume. Okay. Now you jump to the another company. They are looking for the developers who are having a Python experience. So you are having Python experience, but they're giving a Salesforce application. Can we do the development of this Salesforce application using Python?
No, no, I
I'm just giving as an example. So you know the Python knowledge and you are having experience on Python. So now you are implemented one banking application using Python technology. Again, you are developing one more application using that is Salesforce application. The backend language is Python. Can we able to auto develop this particular script?
Yes.
Yes, right. Because you are having experience on Python, but one particular application category. If we get any other application like a health insurance domain related, so health-based applications you are having. So are you able to do the development of healthcare domain related project?
Yeah, healthcare, it's okay, but Salesforce will use this Apex code, this one. No, Anusha.
Okay, let me rename this one.
Yeah.
Okay, let me rename this one as a e-commerce application. Can we do?
Yes, yes. 3 years, yeah.
Yes, right.
Yeah.
See, you are having one and only technology experience, that is only the Python. You know how to write a coding in Python, how to build the logics in Python. That is the main that is your skill set. Okay. If you're getting any application category, definitely you are able to do the development of that particular application, right?
Yes, 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 Anusha.
So here also same. When you're working in a web application, desktop, API, database, SAP, the functionality is changing application to application. Coming to the workflow is common for all types of applications. Getting?
Okay.
Yes, and understand, yeah.
Yes.
Because there is no coding here, we are not learning anything, but writing of logics, implementing of things is common for all type of applications. There is no much change here. Okay. So these many applications will give you a more knowledge on Tosca, how this Tosca is working for SAP, how this Tosca is working for desktop and API and databases. Clear?
Sure.
Yes, clear, clear, Anusha.
Okay. Yes, Chandra, you are saying something?
Yes, as an SAP admin, can I know the testing part for which SAP module is done?
The SAP, we can automate all modules. What are the modules is available in SAP point of view? We can do the automation of SAP SD, MM, FICO, PP, Treasury. So all these things we do the automation. You know, Tosca is very stable for SAP based applications as well. Okay. So you can work with SAP HANA, S4 HANA. Everything is possible. Team, clear up to here?
Hey, Anusha, I have a question here.
Yeah, please go ahead.
So since you mentioned the Tosca is stable application, right? So stable tool. But I heard that when we automate the Salesforce application, Salesforce is releasing summer maintenance and winter maintenance. Yearly, I think it gives 2 or 3 releases. So whenever they release some new things, right, new patches, so it is not identifying the objects. So how do you handle those kind of situations with this Tosca?
So we have to handle that while scanning those type of controls as a stable one. So the main point is here. Okay, if Salesforce is releasing new patches that means they are doing some backend changes, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm just asking.
Right. I mean, they're fixing some issues or they're
They are
adding
fixing
some
some
features.
issues. That means they are changing some background development, backend
Right.
development, correct. If
Mhm.
something is changed in application point of view, definitely that is impacted to our test script as well, right? What
Right.
are the latest scripts they updated? Based on that, we have to update the properties in Tosca. Okay.
Okay.
So what I said, this Tosca is stable for SAP. Why I am
Okay.
mentioning this is stable for SAP? SAP interface is common, right? Based on test data, we'll get number of warning messages.
Okay. Okay.
So there is
Got
no
it.
much changes in SAP. SAP point of view, Tosca is very stable. Coming to web-based or desktop or API database, if something is done by the developer end, yes, we have that impact is always happen in our test case level. We do work on that and we'll fix the issues and we'll rerun the script. No need
Okay,
to
got
run no need to automate entire script from the scratch. We just check the failure area and we'll update it and we'll rerun the script.
Okay.
Okay. Chalo. So the next point is here, Tim. I'll just give you a quick presentation here. It's a very simple 5 to 6 slides of presentation only. We'll see. So this is Tricentis new stream, and nowadays Tricent is providing a flexibility to implementing of the technologies, that is artificial intelligence and generative AI. You know, nowadays every people is talking about a generative AI. So because this generative AI is the main model, like LLM model they are using to develop the AI based application like ChatGPT or BART, so Google BART, so a number of things. Even the Tricentis is also planning to implement the generative AI features to their testing tool. So why this generative AI? What is this is doing especially? That is things I mentioned here. So this generative AI is reshaping the testing. Okay. AI tools is streamline and conversion of user stories to our test cases and ensuring consistency and adaptability and changing of requirements. And those humans might miss. If we miss something, Tim, so these generative AI and AI is the responsible persons to include those things to as a part of automation things. So it is a kind of reshaping of the things. So this is one of the very, very flexibility and very new technology they added to the their tools, testing tools. So that is the reason nowadays everyone is looking the testing experience who are having a Tosca, primarily automation Tosca. Okay. So this is the some kind of career opportunities. Nowadays, we do have a number of openings in Tosca as well. And these all the companies are partnered with the Tricentis. So I just noted only couple of companies, Team. We do have a number of companies like AWS, SAP, IBM, Azure, Accenture, Capgemini, CGI, Birlasoft, HCL. All these companies are the partner companies of Tricentis. Okay. Next, I can say this Tricentis tool is a continuous testing platform and deliver the fast feedback for Agile and DevOps model. See, the development operations both are going up parallel, okay? It allows you to design automated functional and end-to-end software testing across all layers of your enterprise architecture. If you see this particular architecture, Team, I can say this is an enterprise architecture. And even Tosca is also called it as a model-based test automation tool. Tosca is a model-based. See here the number of features. One thing, yes, we can do manual testing using Tricentis Tosca. Basically, we are doing manual testing. Yes, we can achieve this kind of manual testing using Tricentis Tosca. So this is a kind of analytics. And here you can see the API testing. Yes, we do the API testing. This is the big data testing. The big data testing is also covering ETL testing, Snowflake testing. So all these data related testings, yes, we can achieve here. So the continuous integration is also possible, and test data management. So we just do the preparation of data driven frameworks to prepare the test data to test the application, right? The test data management is also possible here. And the load testing, as I said earlier, yes, we do the load testing. And yes, we do the impact testing, service visualization, exploratory testing, and risk-based testing, test management tools. Test management tools is nothing but, I hope you are aware of the test management tools, couple of the test management tools like Jira, HPALM. So we just maintain our end-to-end requirements here, right? So yes, we can integrate Tosca with these test management tools as well. This is a kind of enterprise application architecture, kind of architecture. So the next slide is here. Advantages of Tricentis Tosca. I just make a note of couple of things only, but we do have a number of advantages. Okay. As I said, this is a model-based test automation tool. Codeless, that means no need to learn any coding. Easy to teach a new person. End-to-end test automation is possible. AI-powered testing, integrated test case designing and execution, cross-browsing, and we can do cross-browsing testing, and we can do parallel testing, integration, scalability testing, and all these things is possible. And here you can see one more point I highlighted here. Tricentis from certification from Tricentis company. So I'll guide you these certifications as well. What are the certifications is required from Tricentis to get an opportunity in another companies? Next point, team. So these all are the Tosca recent release versions. Okay. So Tosca 2023.2 and Tosca 2023.1. These versions are released this year, 14th of February 2024 and 22nd November 2023. Okay, these all are very recent versions, team. I know currently we are in 2024, but when you people are keeping an experience on Tosca, so what is the experience? So you can keep either 14th version or 15th or 16th version. You should aware of these versions, team. Clear? So coming to I'll give you the training on 15th version. You will get installation of 16th version. At single shot, you're going to learn what are the things not available in 15th version and 16th version. And what are the features they added in a 15th and what are the features they are not added in older versions. We'll discuss all these things in detail in going forward. Okay. Next.
Anusha,
Yeah.
like these versions, about these versions, so usually like organizations, like which version they are currently using? 23 or
It is a completely project specific, Pooja. So the main thing is here, some of the companies, some of the projects, they started with 2023 version. Okay. Some of the projects still they are working in 16th version. Some of the projects still they are working in 13th version. Still they are working in 14th version. If anyone starting their project newly in Tosca, so they are using 2023 version or 16th version. If it is existing project, already that project is built around 1 year back or 3-4 years back, they are using still 13th version and 12th version. So every time new releases is happening, but coming to the project point of view, I cannot say every company, every project they are using this version, depends. Okay. Some people are working these versions, some people are working these versions, and some people are working on this 2023.2 version. It depends. Okay. But I'll give you the differences. What is the difference between the current version and latest version? What are the features they added additional in the latest release? Okay. Hope it's clear for you, right, Pooja?
Yes, Anusha.
Okay. Next one. This is the architecture, team. So when you see this architecture, when we are working in Tosca, 13th version, 12th version, and 14th version, you are able to see this kind of architecture. Okay. So enter this architecture level, which things we are learning. So I'll just highlight only one thing. If you learn this particular tool, what is the tool I highlighted? Tosca Commander. That is what your experience. That's it. These all features are integrated with Tosca Commander, but I'll tell you all these things. But one and only thing is you have to learn Tosca Commander. That's it. Only the Tosca Commander. So to work with the Tosca Commander, we require common repository. Anyway, I'll explain this common repository concept tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So to work with Tosca Commander, we required a specific engines. I'll explain these things as well. And this OSV services. And this is the test data repository, how to design our test data. Yes, I'll explain these things as well. And coming to the server point of view, how to do the distributed execution. Yes, I'll explain this distributed execution also, how to work with this and what are the services is required to work with the distributed level. Okay. But just make a note of only one thing. This, if you learn this Tosca, that is what your experience. That's it. Clear? So are you able to see another architecture?
Yes.
Yeah.
This architecture is available Tosca 15, 16, 2023.1 and 2023.2. The recent versions, you are able to find this kind of architecture. It's a kind of in detailed. In a previous slide, they may miss something. Okay. Not in detail here. But coming to here, here is also in detail and even you can see the Tosca Commander. If we learn this Tosca Commander, so all these features is included here. So one is ODBC data source setup to do the DB testing. And this is a T-box set buffer. We have to create the test data, SAP related one. And this is the license type. And these all are the databases type. So no need to worry about while seeing this hierarchy. Okay, I'll explain very easily. These all are the test management tools is available in Tosca to integrate these things to Commander. Okay. And this is the Tosca server. What are the features is available in Tosca server and which things can be utilized in Tosca's point of view. But make a note of one thing, Tim. If you learn this Tosca Commander, even that is what your experience. The architecture they changed to the older versions to the latest versions. This is the architecture you are able to find. Okay. Just look into Tosca Commander, Tim. This is, if you learn this Tosca Commander clearly in your coming to the different application categories point of view, that is what your experience. That's it. Okay, don't confuse while seeing this architecture. It's very easy. I'll explain. So the next slide, as I said earlier, the Tosca is going to support around 200 to 350 project categories. So I just mentioned only a couple of adapters here are the application specific one. If we see the SAP related all adapters is included here, cross browsing testing, mobile based, Java, and PowerPoint builder and IBM related applications, some kind of PDFs, Word documents, databases. So yes, we do the testing of web services as well, REST JSON, and coming to here, Cybele, Oracle based applications also we do the automation. Like this, we do have a number of things. I just added the screenshot for only couple of technologies. Okay, so that is what they mentioned. Tosca allows for a easy test across any technology or any platform. There is no restrictions here, Tim. We can do any technology. We can do testing in any platform. Okay. Next one. So to work with the Tricentis Tosca, must we require these kind of laptop configurations to installation of Tricentis Tosca in your laptop. Okay. So anyway, I'll explain these things later as well. This is the system requirements to install Tricentis Tosca in your laptops. Yeah, this is the certification. I said, right, certifications. Yes. Tricentis Tosca is providing some certifications to us. Okay. So one is automation specialist level 1, level 2, and the test data services level 1, level 2, and SAP foundation level certification. Like this, we do have n number of certifications in Tricentis Tosca. All these certifications are free of cost. All these certifications are free of cost. No need to pay any amount to Tricentis company as of now to do these certifications. Okay. Maybe going forward, may they make these things also paid certification, but as of now, all these certifications are free of cost. Okay, no need to pay any amount to Tricentis. So if you see the certification team, they are giving certifications like this. Certificate from Tricentis, certificate of achievement. So has completed automation specialist level 1, and this is the information. Clear? So coming to my side, I'll give you completely the support to clear AS1, AS1 certification and AS2 certification and SAP. I'll give you complete support to these certifications. And coming to the guidance, I'll give you the guidance to clear the TDS1 and TDS2. So definitely you are able to complete all these 5 certifications after completion of the classes. Okay. Clear team?
Anisha, sorry to interrupt. How long this
Lifetime.
Yeah, how long the certification is valid?
This certifications is valid for lifetime as of now. There is no validity for the certification. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Other questions, team?
Anusha, like you said, like for AS1, 2, and SAP, you will provide the support. So support here means like you will provide us the like syllabus and the like notes or something like that.
No. So I'll just give you some time to clear the certifications from your side. Okay.
Okay.
So if you're unable to do it, then I'll give you the guidance to clear it.
Mm-hmm.
I'll just take one session for that to work on the certifications point of view.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So this is the certification which is completed our students only team. If you see, this is one of my WhatsApp message. Okay. Once they complete the certification, they posted in a WhatsApp group. I just picked screenshot from the WhatsApp group on.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I'll just give you an opportunity to you clear the certification. If you are unable to do that, yes, definitely I'll support you to clear these certifications. Okay. Any other questions in certification point of view?
So we will get this certificate, like, okay, one certificate that is shown in this picture, right? Only
Yes.
one. Okay.
It's a sample. I'm just
Okay.
taking this screenshot.
Anusha, to attend this exam, we would require a business skill study.
Yes.
Like
So to do these certifications, we required a business email IDs. Okay. No need to worry about business email IDs that will be taken care by the management. I'm not sure. If you're having any business mail IDs, you can utilize your business email IDs. Okay. If you don't have any business email IDs, then we'll check with the management people. We'll get one business email ID to clear these certifications.
okay, thank you.
Anisha, I have business email ID because I'm working currently in a IT company. But already I have installed Tosca with that business email ID. But due to the work and all, I'm unable to work on the Tosca and all. Later, 14 or 15 days, the Tosca time period was over. So, is there any chance to reuse that business email ID, or else I need another email ID to get the certification or
No, same
to
email
install the
ID is
Tosca?
fine for you, Rakesh. I'll guide you. Same
Okay.
email ID is fine. No need to go with another email ID. Okay.
For the installation also, I can use same business email ID.
Installation is not required. Directly we'll share the .exe file instead of doing all this stuff. Okay. Directly will
Okay.
share you the .exe file of Tosca 16th version. Directly you can do the installation. Just download and do the installation. That's it.
And how
Okay,
long
no
that is
need
going
to.
to valid? Is it going to expire after 15 days?
Yeah, that is a trial version, yeah. But we are giving access around 3 to 4 months, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
So clarity.
And Anusha, like once we are done with the course, like would you be helping us with the resume where because we need to explain our current project with respect to Toscano? Like will you be helping in that resume?
So Tim, definitely I'll help you the clearance of the preparation of resume and career guidance and the project explanation and some mock interviews also included here, okay?
Okay.
And how long it will take? The whole
It's
class?
depends, Sonia. Sometimes I'm able to complete around 45 days to 50.
Okay.
Sometimes 55 days. That's it. Not much. Okay.
Okay.
It's based on the conversation, how we are in, based on your questions only.
Okay.
So hope everyone able to see my screen.
Uh, a question like after the class, will there be any open like a platform where we all can practice anything like that?
Yes, definitely daily basis must you have to do the practical sessions. Okay. So we do have daily tracker, how many people are doing practical session, how many are not doing. So we do have that kind of tracker. I'll explain that points as well here. Okay. So this is only the messages, Tim, which I captured from our old students who are placed in this particular year only. So this person, you can see this is one of our WhatsApp group. Okay. December 7 p.m. It's a WhatsApp group, and this is also 7 a.m. WhatsApp group. Okay. So once the batch is confirmed, they create one group for us. So what are the questions? What are the challenges you are facing daily basis? We'll discuss all things together. Okay. That is the one advantage we have. Another one is here. So this is the career achievement. So these people are placed in one of the reputed companies with the best packages. So they just mentioned this information to me, and even yesterday also I heard from one of my student. Still the batch is going on. That person is placed on 2 companies with best packages. I haven't captured that, but I'm telling the one and only thing why the people are placing in organizations and they are getting offers. Simple. Only the practical sessions. So the Tosca is completely a codeless tool team. That is definitely, if I tell theoretically, everyone able to understand, but that will give any value to your skill set. The first point is here, when you are trying to learn Tricentis Tosca, must you have hands-on experience on Tosca. That is very, very important. So daily basis, I'll give you a number of assignments to our team members. Everyone must, they have to work on that assignment and they have to place their assignment related screenshot here. I'll track all this information. I'll ask each and every person as well. If any one of the person not able to do it, so then I'll give some time to them to work on that, to upload the evidence document here. What happens? This practical experience give you a real-time knowledge to you. Okay. Theoretical is enough to get an opportunity, but once you get an opportunity, you have to sustain your job, right? At that time, this practical will help you more. Okay. That is the reason if you see, if 10 people are attending Tosca opportunity, if five people are related to my previous students, definitely they got the opportunity compared to the other people. Okay. So just make a note of couple of differences between Tosca with other automation tools. Tosca is a vendor tool. Vendor means Tricentis is the author of Tricentis Tosca. That is the reason. UFT is related to HP and Selenium is the open source tool. So To work with this Tosca, must we have to pay some amount to the Tricentis company to utilize the services of Tosca? And even UFT level also, we do have pay some amount to the companies to work with that. So what type of applications can we automate using Tosca? Yes, we can automate any kind of application. There is no restrictions here. Coming to the UFT, yes, we do the automation of only web-based applications, web and desktop. So coming to Selenium, Selenium is going to support only web-based application. What type of applications? The application type, it is a model-based test automation tool. To work with the QTP, it is a script-based tool, and it is a code-based tool. Scripting language. There is no scripting language in Tosca's point of view. To work with the UFT, must we have to learn VB scripting language. And coming to the Selenium point of view, yes, we can learn either Python or Java or C# based on application categories. Can we do API testing using Tosca? Yes, we do. So can we do UFT? Yes, we do API testing, but in Selenium point of view, it is not possible. Coming to the test data management is available in Tricentis Tosca itself. This test data management is not available in a UFT and Selenium. I just make a note of only the couple of differences only, Tim, not all. Okay. I just mentioned only small differences here. That's it. Any questions on this slide?
Anisha, what if I need only SAP based knowledge? Should I attend all the classes?
Not getting Chandra. Come again. Yes,
Hello?
please, Chandra. Come again, please.
Hello?
Yes, I can hear you. Please go ahead.
Yeah, Anand, can you hear me?
I'm really sorry. Your voice is not audible for me. What
Yeah,
about others, team?
Hi, Anusha.
Yes,
Uh,
Anita.
yeah, the time is fixed or you will change the time for the class?
Yes, timings is fixed. There is no
What
changes in
are the
timings.
timings? What are the timings as per in
9:45 to 10:45
every day?
every day.
Okay.
Okay. So if you
Anuja,
have
one
any
quick
questions, ping
question.
me in the chat, Chandra. Yes, Anand, please go ahead.
Yeah. So Anuja, you'll be covering all the applications like Tosca Web, Desktop, API, and TB as well, API? Or you're specifically covering two specific applications like Tosca SAP or Tosca
Tosca
Desktop?
with SAP, Tosca with web, Tosca with API, Tosca with database, all these things together.
Okay. So how much time it will take for Tosca SAP? How many classes, especially for specific
Tosca
Tosca?
SAP hardly takes 2 weeks of time.
Okay, so you'll be covering everything into SAP, right?
Yeah, I'll just take only one module and I'll explain how we are going to automate Tosca with SAP, what is the procedure for that. And I'll give you
Okay.
hands-on experience. It's not like a theoretical. I'll give you hands-on experience.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Okay. Any other questions?
Anusha, what about like if you want to opt out some other timings? Like I think you also run 7:30 batch, no?
That is almost mid of the classes. So probably
Okay.
we're going to complete. So
Okay. So next month it will start like a new batch, the second 7:31, no?
7:30 next month. If you want to join 8:30, that is also started around the basic classes is completed 10 days.
Hmm.
If you want
Okay.
to go with the recording videos of those 10 days, you can do it. Otherwise,
Okay.
you can attend those 10 days here and you can continue there. So it depends, okay? Based on your
Okay.
flexibility.
Okay. Okay.
Any other?
Anusha?
Yes.
Yeah, actually, as you said, the SAP automation, right? Do we need to know about the SAP different modules that as a prerequisite, we need to know about those things, or else as a layman also can start knowing about the SAP automation once the Tosca class starts?
Yes, I can give you Tosca with SAP sales and distribution module. So the overview of sales and distribution module, and how we are going to interact to the Tricentis Tosca, creation of sales orders, billing documents and delivery documents, displaying outbound delivery. So all these things will go with hands-on.
Okay.
So I'll
Only two
directly give the
modules that you are going to
installation of
cover, right?
only one module is enough. See, just understand one point. So we are just working in different application categories. So Tosca point of view, I'm just keeping mute. So Tosca point of view, you know how to build the script, you know how to automate the scenarios. Okay. The one and only thing is changing here, application functionality. That's it. When you are working in a SAP, application functionality is changing here. When you are working with a Salesforce, application functionality is changing, but the development process, everything is same. Web application functionality is changing, everything is same. Okay. So the prerequisite of SAP, you should know how this SAP is going to work as a part of Tosca. Scenarios, data, everything. As of now, I'm not taking any separate sessions only for SAP, only for API, only for database. I'm just taking a sessions, all these things to club together. Okay. But even if you want to take SAP only, must you know the basics of SAP, like Tosca, how Tosca is going to work in SAP's point of. So the timings of Tricent our sessions team 9:45 to 10:45. Okay, AM daily. There is no change in these particular timings. Okay.
Anusha, is there any other batches after 9:30 shift that might be started later also? If not now,
This is after 9:30 only, right?
I mean after 10:45.
I think there is no batch. One batch is running, but that batch is also going to complete within 2 to 3 weeks.
Okay.
So after that, I'm not taking anything because team, even I'm also real-time employee. So I have to go my office. So my office timings is around 12:30 to evening 8:30 to 9:30. So 11 after that, it's not possible for me.
Understood.
And Anusha,
Yeah.
is there offline classes as well, or is it complete online?
As of now, it's completely online, but no one is coming in offline classes.
Yeah, hi
So
Anisha. What is the course duration?
the duration of the course, as I mentioned here, so as I committed 45 to 50 days, but sometimes it's extended also.
Okay.
So any real-time support can we expect?
That means already you are working in Tosca.
We got to know we'll be getting Tosca project. I am working on.
The main thing is here, Tim. So you'll get completely a confidence. That is the first point. Why I'm telling like a confidence, the thing is, this Tosca training sessions is completely a practical. It is not a theoretical points. That is the main thing. Okay. So I'll give you the number of scenarios to do the automation. Even real time also, you may face these kind of scenarios only. Okay. So as of now, I'm not giving any real time support to anyone. That is the main point. So for practical point of view, what are the questions you are facing? What are the challenges you are facing? Definitely, I'll give you the solution for that. Do more practice, learn more things here itself. Once you get an opportunity, any one of the company, if initially, if you're facing any challenges, anything, I'll give you the guidance. That's it. I'm not providing any support. Okay.
Okay, Anuja. Thank
So
you.
the providing of support is I'm not providing team. Okay. Just learn something, gain knowledge, and implement same knowledge in your real-time point of view. So to work with the SAP, must you require a laptop as well, team? So if you don't have laptop, just purchase any one of the laptop, either new or seconds or whatever you want. If you one of your family members is having a laptop, just take those laptops to do the practice purpose. Okay. So if you're comfortable with coming to offline to practice here, yes, the in lab is providing Tosca installations. You can do the practice here itself. Getting? Today I just explained what is Tricentis Tosca and what is the importance of that and why the companies are hiring Tricentis Tosca team. But tomorrow completely I'll show you how Tosca Commander, I said only Commander, right? How Tosca Commander look like and how we are going to automate the scenarios in Tosca's point of view. All these things I'll cover tomorrow. Okay. So please join everyone without fail. Any other questions?
Anusha?
Tomorrow also same time, right?
Yeah, tomorrow also same time. There is no change in timings team. Okay. Tomorrow also same time. Please join the same time here.
Anusha, like you will give us like exe file which for the practice purpose, so that will be like enabled only for 3 months, right? And then we need to buy our own like on, correct now?
Yes. So what are the license we are giving? That license is available around 3 to 4 months.
Okay.
3 months. Okay. So this 3 to 4 months is enough to get an opportunity, right?
Okay.
Definitely you'll place in company. If you want to extend this one, just check with the management. They'll extend this license around 1 month or 2 months.
Okay.
This is chargeable.
Okay. Okay. Good.
So we can use our office laptop or on the personal laptop only we can install it.
If you have access to work with your office, yes, you can use your office laptop as well.
Okay.
Okay. Any other questions, team?
Till now, I don't know the fee structure and other details. How to know that?
Just check with the management. They are sharing one link to you, right?
Mm-hmm.
Doing follow-up, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
just check with them. They'll give you the information related to that. I'm not aware of those
Okay.
things.
Sure. Thank you.
And Anusha, just last thing from me, like in the duration of this course, like is it specific days dedicated to resume building or like LinkedIn profile setup or something like that, or it is like going things side by side?
So those initially starting 3 to 4 days, it's a theoretical sessions. Okay. 3 to 4 days, I'll explain how Tosca Commander is look like and how we are going to understand that. Day 1 onwards, we go with the practical sessions. Day 1 onwards, we go with the practical sessions. So that is the reason. If you don't have any laptop, just look for your laptop and update that accordingly. Coming to the .exe files, I'll share you the installation document as well, how to do the installation of Tricentis Tosca. One document is available. I'll explain the document as well, how to do step-by-step process.
Hi, Anisha. So I have one question.
Yeah,
Do
please.
we get any recorded sessions in case if we miss the class?
Yes, daily basis you will get the recorded sessions. I think I missed that. So daily we'll share the recorded videos to you team. And what are the document I prepared here, right? This is the document just now I prepared it. So daily I'll share you the document. So this is my previous batches document. I'll show you as a reference how it's going to be. Okay. I'll just make a note of each and everything very clearly. So if you want to know the things, you just see this document. Around this document is having 66 pages. 65 pages of this document. So we just discussed the day by day activities and the concept related to interview question, what type of interview questions you may face in interviews, and what is the process for that. Hmm?
Okay.
And another one, you will get this assignment document as well. I'll just give you this assignment document. Directly, I'll ask you people to start working on all these test cases. Okay. So once you've done your test case development, go to your particular sheet and update the status here. So just your name and your name related screenshot. Your name related screenshot, name and related screenshot. These all are the test case IDs. TC01, TC02, these all are the test case ID. If we see index, these all are the indexing of each test case.
Okay. And
Okay.
I have one more question. Like, is there any operating system dependency for the Tosca installation, like configuration part of the
So the
system?
Tosca is going to support only Windows-based applications.
I see.
Only
Fine.
Windows 10.
So Windows,
10
like
or
from
11.
10 or 11. Fine.
Okay. Windows 10.
Thank you. Thank you for the update.
Okay. Any other questions?
Actually, Anusha, I'm from non-IT and I have zero experience in manual testing as well. So, will it be worth if I learn this Tosca? Will
Yes.
it be useful for my career?
See, manual testing is not, I cannot say it's not mandatory. Okay.
Mhm.
So what are the manual testing is required as a part of automation testing? I'll explain those all manual testing scenarios here itself.
Okay.
So if you want to learn separately manual, so manual is completely theoretical sessions. Okay.
Yes.
So you can learn the things separately along with this.
So
So
I already had that course. I already learned
then no
through
need
course
to
I
go
did.
with that, Sonia.
But only thing is I don't have any hands-on experience. Just the theory part I learned.
Theory
But
part
no.
only. Even real time also, you will not get any opportunity to work with manual because we
Okay.
are the automation consultants, right? So
Okay.
simply we are going to work on automation point of view. But coming to the manual, why manual? So terminology. Okay. So if I say I'm working on regression testing, regression is a kind of terminology which we used in a manual testing only, right?
Yes.
That kind of concepts we will talk, but we won't work on that. Hmm?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Any questions, team? Hope everyone is clear with all these points, right? Sorry.
Anusha, are you audible? This is Harshita.
Yes, Ashita, I'm able to hear you now.
We have any resume preparation session in this course?
Yes.
And when it will be, say, 80% of the course or 100%
End
of
of the course only, team.
Sorry?
The end of the course, I'll give you the sample resumes to you. So based on this one, you can prepare your resumes. I'll take one session for resume review. And if you want to update something over there, I'll give you the information. If you don't know how to explain the project in your interviews point of view, I'll give you the explanation for that as well, how to explain your project in interviews. So everything is included. So what are the folders you are able to see here? All these things you are able to access. Okay. Everyone able to see? Interview questions document. So I'll just add couple of interview questions as well. So interview questions you can prepare daily basis. These all are only document point of view, team, but recorded videos you'll get in a different link, YouTube link. Okay. Daily basis, I'll share you the recorded video. That is the reason even I'm doing recording today. Okay.
And
Okay.
Anusha, a quick question,
Yeah, please go ahead.
if we had to drop in between, like, are we allowed for the next batch because of the project and timing constraints? If there is any issue that we couldn't continue further, are we allowed for the next batch? Is there any such feasibility?
As I know, yes, they are able to allow you to the next batch as well. Some of my students also joined due to their unavailability, due to their personal emergency. they just continue with the new another batches as well. Yes, that flexibility is available.
Thank you, Anusha.
Okay.
Okay, how about the batch? I mean, in the June and July also another batch starts or what?
Yes, team. So every month ending or month will start a new batches.
Okay,
So
okay.
just check with the management. So they give you the latest updates on our batch detail.
Sure, dear, sure.
Any other questions, team? Today I just explained what is Tosca, all these things, team. Tomorrow I'll explain this Tosca commander. So very in detailed. Okay. Chal. Any questions? అందరికి అర్థమైంది ఎవరైనా తెలుగు వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారా?
తెలుగే అండి.
ఫైన్. ఇన్ కేస్ ఏమైనా అర్థం కాకపోతే తెలుగైనా అడగండి.
Anusha, is it continuously 7 days class sessions will be going on, or else
Weekdays
only
Only
week-
Monday to
only weekdays?
Saturday. Okay.
Saturday.
Monday to Friday is the actual classes. Saturday is the doubt sessions because we all are connecting through
Oh,
Zoom,
okay.
right? If you are facing any
Okay.
issues for that entire week, Monday to Friday, we'll discuss all those things in Saturday's class.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, team. So thanks for joining all. We'll connect tomorrow same time.
Sure. Thank you, Anusha.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Anisha. Bye-bye.
It was
Thank you.
nice talking with you. Thank you. Bye.
It's the same. Thank you. Bye.
Thanks, Anusha. That was a nice session.
Thank you, Sonia. Rukmini.